We start in the High Court in Pietermaritzburg, where Judge Isaac Madondo has dismissed with cost the application to stop the coronation of King Zulu. Handing down judgment, Judge Madondo says King Zulu is the undisputed successor to the AmaZulu throne. Judge Madondo was deliberating on 3 judgments pertaining to the AmaZulu royal house. In the matter pertaining to the late king's will, the judge granted an interdict halting the execution of the will of the late AmaZulu King Goodwill Zwelithini. In his ruling, the judge says the validity of the will should be tested in a separate civil trial. At the same time, Judge Madondo also dismissed with cost the application for a declaratory order made by his wife of the late AmaZulu King, Queen Sibongile-Dlamini Zulu. Queen Sibongile had claimed half of the king's estate based on the fact that they were married in a civil union and in community or property in 1969. Handing down judgment, Judge Madondo says he was not asked to declare the king's other customary marriages invalid. He further says he cannot preempt how the executor will disburse the king's estate.
This matter was brought to court long before the estate of the late Silo was reported to the Master of the High Court. This court is asked to preempt a dispute which may arise between the applicant queen and the executor or other queens. The applicant queen is entitled to lodge a claim with the executor in terms of the Estate Act. The applicant queen has not made out a case in respect of any of the relief sought in the amended notice of motion. Therefore, the order made in this regard, the application is dismissed with cause, such to include cause consequent of employment of senior counsel.
So the latest installment of the State Capture report zooms in on Bosasa, now known as